All right. We got 4 minutes till 10, and there's only one person. So hopefully more people join for now. All right, we're getting there. Almost there. Hello. All right, it is 10 o'clock, but maybe we'll wait a little longer. Hopefully more people join. I'll start at 10:05. So in 4 minutes, I'll begin. Even if it's only three of us. Hmm. 3 more minutes. Has everybody been doing their assignments? I don't see many Friday assignments being submitted. Um, I see a fair bit of like the quizzes or the assignments that I put that are like solving and stuff is good, but not many people are getting their 100s. Remember, guys, you should be getting a 100 before you stop. You have an unlimited amount of attempts, and I'm hoping you guys all utilize that 100 and or the unlimited amount of attempts and get a 100, guys. There's no point in stopping at a 60 or an 80 just because you think it's okay. No, I've given 5 questions. That means you didn't do one of my 5 questions correctly. Okay? I want y'all to make sure you are completing all of it, getting a 100. And if you don't know how to do something, review by watching the lessons. Friday, there was no lesson because the lesson was on Thursday, and I've gotten some assignments where they're not made by PictoChart. Guys, read the instructions. PictoChart is where you're supposed to be completing your assignment and then uploading it onto Schoology. Okay? By saving that PictoChart and then uploading it immediately. Okay? That's all I asked you to do. I'm not making anything too difficult. Okay? All right, good. All right, got about 1 more minute and then I will start. Wonder where everybody is. It's Monday. Okay. Start off nice and easy and simple. And today we're doing something pretty easy. We're not doing anything crazy. Okay. I'm not doing anything crazy today. I'm just doing, um, we're just doing algebra practice today. Okay. Something light, something easy, nothing too difficult. Okay. So, let's begin. First thing we're gonna do is just solve simple one-step problems for variables. All right. So in this case, we use PEMDAS. Oh no, we don't use PEMDAS. That's for solving. Nope, we're just gonna do sort of in reverse PEMDAS. All right. So in here, this 8 is positive, so we're gonna subtract 8 from both sides. Okay. V is equal to 26 minus 8 or 16. Oops, nope, 18. 18. Here's your answer. That's it. Okay? Same on this side. P, or we're solving for P. 3 is positive, so we subtract 3 from both sides. P equals 5. Okay? Same for number 3. Look, it's 15 is positive, so we subtract 15 from both sides. Subtract 15 from both sides. We have B is equal to, oops, 12. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. It's actually 8. What am I thinking? It's Monday morning. Yeah, we're just reviewing algebra. That's all it is. Alright, and then here, we got to get n by itself. So we have to add 15 because we're subtracting 15. So n is equal to 6. Alright, number 5. Yeah, I don't think today will be that long of a lesson because it's just reviewing algebra. Then we're going to get to why we're reviewing algebra tomorrow and all that good stuff. Okay, here, since m is dividing, the opposite of dividing is multiplying. So we have to multiply both sides by 4. Okay, multiply both sides by 4. Oops, that's a 14. 4, all right? This becomes 4m over 4, which is equal to, what is this? Negative 52. And this right here becomes 1, so it's just m equals negative 52. What am I doing? Okay, now we're going to go through two-step problems. Okay, so we first have to get rid of this 2 before we can do anything with this 4. All right, so to get rid of the 2, we have to subtract 2 from both sides. So we have 4 is equal to a over 4. Again, this is dividing, so make this look more like an a. Okay, so in order for this is dividing by 4, so the opposite is to multiply by 4. We have 16 is equal to a. Okay, again here we have plus 7 plus 7. 9x is equal to 0. Okay, whoa, 9x is equal to 0. What do? We divide by 9. What's x equal to? Still 0. Okay, easy. All right, number 8. We have to divide first. We have to get rid of this before we can get rid of this. Okay, think of this as multiplying by 6. Okay, since we're dividing by 6, we've got to multiply by 6. So 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 is equal to 5 plus x. Actually, I'm going to do it like this. This is 6, oops, 6 times 5 plus x over 6. That reduces down to 1, so it's just negative 6 equals 5 plus x. We add 5 to both sides. Oh, sorry, not add. Subtract 5 from both sides because 5 is positive. And we have x equals negative 11. Okay? Here we have to, oops, we have to distribute first. Okay? Distribute here. 144 is equal to negative 12x. And negative 12 times 5, or negative 60. Okay, we add 60 to both sides. Because this is negative, we have to do the opposite. So we have 204 is equal to negative 12x. Not subtract, divide by negative 12. Oops, what happened? And then x is equal to uh 17, negative 17, I believe. No, yeah, I think it's negative 17. Let's double check. To the calculator. 204 divided by negative 12. Oops, this can't do that. So 204 divided by 12, which is 17, but since it's negative, it becomes negative. All right. All right, number 10, I'm going to add 13 to both sides. We have negative 9x is equal to negative 90 divided by negative 9x equals 10. I feel like today is going to be a really short. That's okay. Doing nice simple lesson today. All right, I don't have that many more problems to go through. All right, here we have to get x to one side and we have to get all the non-x's to the other side. Okay, so in order for us to do that, we have to identify what's x and we have to identify what's non-x. Now remember, when we do something to x, say we add it, subtract it, the only thing we can do is do it to the other x. Okay, so I'm going to use different colors for this process. All right, so x, I'm going to do green. So we have 7x here, 8x here, and I prefer to get this to take away the smaller x. It's always easier to take away the smaller x. Okay, so we're going to subtract 7x, and we're left with just x, or 1x, which is just the same as x, minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Okay, and here we're going to add 2. We're left with x equals negative 7. And that's it. Okay, but again, you have to make sure you are moving all the x's to one side, all the non-x's to the other side. Okay, so we got, I think, like 5 more problems. But before I continue, I'm gonna take a quick uh, thing today to show you that today we have an exit ticket. For the 7 people who are watching, you're the first to find out how to complete this without having to rewatch it. Okay, if you look right here, okay, this is the answer to your exit ticket today. What is this you see? It is a pair of scissors. Okay, hopefully you paid attention and you watched. All right, tomorrow for your exit ticket, I'm going to not have anything up here. I'm not gonna have anything up here. Instead, I'm gonna do it somewhere, sometime between the lesson. I'm just gonna go up there and put something on there, and then that will be the answer to your exit ticket. Okay? You only get one attempt on the exit ticket. Don't tell your friends. They have to actually watch the video. Okay? So let's continue with number 12. All right? We have P, P, and P. Now, to make this simpler, we're actually going to combine these two before we move on. So we're going to have P minus 1 is equal to, oops, I'm going to change this color, is equal to 8P. We're going to subtract P, We're going to have 7P, negative 1, negative 8. Since it's negative, we're going to do the opposite, or add 8 to both sides. This becomes 7 is equal to 7P. We're going to divide by 7, so P is equal to 1. All right, let's continue solving. Right here. You want to see this? I don't know how to. Right here. This is a pair of scissors right there, right there, right, 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 right. Nope, right there. It's in reverse. My camera's in reverse, so I can't really tell. Okay, something's gonna be different every day. All right. Okay, so in this case, we have to distribute before we can solve. So let's distribute here and here. All right, this is still the same, minus 18. I'm gonna change the colors now. Minus 18 minus 6k is equal to 6 times 1, which is just 6, and then 6 times 3k, which is 18k. Clean this up. Okay, doesn't matter what you get rid of first. Since I'm already hungry, I'm gonna get rid of the k's first. So I'm gonna add 6k to this side, add 6k to this side. Okay, we're gonna get 24k, 24 carats. Just kidding. Is equal to negative 18. Okay, then we have to subtract 6 from both sides. So we have negative 24 is equal to 24k. Divide by 24. K is equal to negative 1. Circle, square my answer here. Here, go back and do that. Here, here, here. Uh-oh, slight lag. No, don't lag. Uh-oh, why is it lagging? It's not good. There we go. All right. So, number 14, gonna distribute. We have 3n minus 5 is equal to negative 8 times 6, or negative 48. And then we have negative 8 times 5n, or negative 40n. Okay. Let's get rid of 3n. No. Let's do it this way. Let's add 40n instead. 43n minus 5 is equal to negative 48. Add 5 to both sides. We have negative 40. Oops, what am I doing? Negative 43 is equal to 43n. Divide by 43. Let me see if I can shrink this or move this up, because I'm gonna. There we go. Okay. Oops. Divide by 43. We have n equals negative 1. All right. All right. Number 15 and number 16. Almost there. Multi-step problem. All right. Actually, I'm going to move this up as well. That way. There we go. we're going to distribute here and here. Got to make sure you look at the sign in the front. Okay, so -3, so +4. So let's see, we have -3 times 4x, which is -12x. Then we have -3 times +3, or -9. Then we have +4 times +6, or +24x. And then we have +4 times +1, or just 4, is equal to 43. Okay, we're gonna, in this case, we're actually going to combine like terms first before we solve. So we have here, I'm gonna combine those, and then, whoops, I'm gonna combine these. Okay, so we have -12x plus 24x, or 24 minus 12, which is 12x. And then we have -9 plus 4, or -5, is equal to 43. We're going to add 5 to both sides. We have 12x is equal to 48. We're going to divide by 12. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Oops, let me fix that. X is equal to 4. Okay. Last question. Let's do this. Negative times 1, negative times 7, -6 times -7, -6 times -x. So let's start with this one here. -1 times just 1 is just -1. Then we have -1 times 7x, which is just -7x. Then we have -6 times -7, or +42. Then we have -6 times -x, or +6x. All right, and this is equal to 36. Again, we're going to combine like terms first. We're going to combine x's. Then we're going to combine the non-x's. Okay, so we have -7x plus 6x, or -1x, or just -x. Then we have -1 plus 42, or 41, which is equal to 36. Then we're going to subtract 41 from both sides. Okay, so we have -1x is equal to 5, -5. Okay, -5. Okay, with that, we're going to divide by -1, and then we have x equals 5. Oops. There's your answer. There's your answer. All right, class. That was today's lesson. It wasn't a long lesson. It was a fairly easy lesson. So make sure you guys are completing your assignments. Um, yeah, I guess that was a pretty quick. It was only 20-minute lesson today. All right, tomorrow we're gonna make it a little longer. All right, today was a little short, but it's okay. All right, again, make sure you guys are completing all your assignments on Schoology. I'm still not getting that many assignments completed. Okay, now I've been getting questions on the folder check marks. If you are, I'm going to complete, I'm gonna, a lot of that is on my end, so it's just me making sure you're all good and with your folders before I finish off the check marks. Okay. Um, I'm gonna be doing that today. I'm just gonna go over and check all the ones that have completed their assignments. All right. You have to do everything and get with the quizzes, anything that's in a quiz format on Schoology, I want you guys to get 100. I don't want you guys to just stop at like an 80. Okay? I want you guys to get the full grade. All right? I'd rather you practice whatever ones you miss than and then go over and do it again. Okay? Again, everything that I do, I review over on YouTube. So if you don't know how to do a certain problem, go back to YouTube and look through my completed notes. Okay? I'm always uploading my completed notes. I upload everything to complete so that you guys are good to go. Okay? Remember, your exit ticket today, what's on top of my little picture frame is a pair of scissors, okay? You only get one attempt. I'm gonna say this again. You only get one attempt at answering this question, okay? And today is going to be easy. Tomorrow it's not going to be on there the entire live stream. I'm going to go halfway through the lesson and I'm just going to put it somewhere on or sometime during the lesson I'm going to put it up and then sometime during the lesson I'm going to take it down. Okay? So be ready for tomorrow. Okay? It shows me whether or not you're watching my videos, okay? And I'm going to have an exit ticket every single day from now on that I have a live stream. So like this Friday, no, I'll have a live stream this Friday. I'll have a live stream. Last Friday I didn't have a live stream because it was just a review of PictoChart, and I didn't really want to do another lesson on PictoChart because I did it the day before. Instead, I had a Zoom conference where if you needed to ask questions, you could have asked questions. Okay, but please make sure you're completing your assignments, guys. All right, there's a lot. I know you guys have a lot of things to do. That's why I'm making the stuff that I give you pretty relatively easy. I'm not giving you guys new stuff yet. All right, we could possibly be learning new stuff next week. All right, because we are getting used to how online learning is going to be. All right, so please make sure you're completing all your assignments. I'm gonna take the time after this stream to hopefully finish everybody's. Or for those that actually finish their assignments, I'm going to give you guys 100 for say the secondary assignment after you guys complete your quizzes. Okay, so I can try and get you guys those checked off folders. That way you know you are completely done. Okay, again, I still haven't gotten assignments completed from the first day. If you haven't done that first day assignment, do it. Okay, do it. You're supposed to text me something on Remind. Okay. All right, guys. Um, I'm gonna close it out for today. Um, if you guys need any more help, I know today's live stream was short, so what I'm gonna do for the makeup supplement is for the next hour until about 11:30, maybe 12, I'm gonna go on to Zoom, and that way you guys can ask me questions or just chat or whatever. If you need to ask what you need to do, then come ask me or just check Schoology because it's there for everyone. Okay? So, um yeah, I'm gonna switch over to Zoom. I hope you guys had a great lesson. All right, I'm gonna end the stream now. Okay, so see you guys. If you need help again on Zoom, if you don't know how to access Zoom, it is still on day one. Okay, the code, the meeting ID, and the password is all on day one. Okay, so please go check that. I'm gonna hop over on that and see you guys if you guys decide to join. All right.